Hi everyone, welcome to Cooper Educate to Empower Scratch Junior online course lesson 6. In this video we will create a Diwali project. First, let's look into the project. I hope you like the project. Let's begin the coding now. First we will delete the sprites that comes up with the new project. Press hard and click on the cross. Now for this project we need to paint our own sprites, that is the rocket, the diyas, the lighted rocket and the sparkle. Let's click on the plus sign and paint it. Click on the paintbrush on the top. First we will paint the rocket. Let's click on the triangle. Make the top of the rocket. Select black color. Click on the square. Make the body of the rocket. And then the base of the rocket. Click in the fill in option. Click on maroon color. Fill in the top and the bottom of the rocket. Click on yellow color and fill in the body. Now click on the free flow and I will make the wick of the rocket. Maybe I can choose black color to make a different outline so that it's visible. Now click on the maroon color and now I'll make the stripes in the body. You can make any design of your own choice. So this is our rocket. Click on the tick sign to save it. As for our project, we need two rockets. So we will click on the plus again and choose the same rocket and click tick. We can also rename the sprites so that we don't get confused. So I will click on the first one and the paintbrush. I will click on the name here and type rocket and 1. For the second one, again click on the paintbrush, delete the name and type the new name rocket 2. Now we want a rocket that is little lighted. So we will again click on the plus sign. Click on the rocket that you already made and click on the paintbrush again. We will click on the free flow and select maroon color. And we will make a shape which shows that the rocket is lit. And then make this with yellow color to make it look good. And click tick. We will again add this because we need two of them. Again we can change it. Change the name. Click on the paintbrush and you can name it as rocket lighted 1 and click tick. For second one also similarly. Now we need to design the diyas. Click on the plus sign. Click on the paintbrush. Select the free flow and make the round shape of the diyas. We can use black color also on top of it to make it look good. Click on the circle and make the circle on the top, or you can start the other way. Click on the fill in option and maybe fill in the color with pink. To make the wick, click on the free flow and select black color. And you can make the wick. Click on yellow color and select the fill in option. Fill in the wick with yellow color. Again select pink and fill the base with pink. So this is our diyas. You can click tick. You can also name it. Now we need to make the sparkle. So we can click on the plus sign again. We can click on the paintbrush. So sparkle is a random light coming. So we can click on the free flow, select any color because we have to choose a lot of colors, and make the random lines so that it looks like glitter. First I'm selecting purple and then I'm selecting orange color. You can select any number of colors you want or any color of your choice. You just have to make it look colorful. And then you can name it as sparkle for 1 and click tick. We need 2 of them because we have 2 rockets. Although we have 4 rockets, but 2 is lit and 2 is not lit. So only 2 rockets. We click on the plus sign again, select the sparkle again and click tick. As we have a lot of sprites, we have to drag a little to see the next one. Click on the paintbrush and name it as sparkle 2. So these are all the sprites that we need for this project. We can position them. The sparkle is on the top and the rockets on the left and right side of the diyas. Now we will choose the background. Click on the image on the top. Select the woods background and click tick. So this is our background. Let's begin the coding now. We will start by coding the diya. We'll click on it. We want the script to start when the green flag is clicked. So from the events blog, we will drag the green flag to the programming area. As the green flag is clicked, we want the diya to say, use me to light the candle, or use the candle to light the rocket. So we will type here, use the candle to light the rockets. And then it will wait for around 10 seconds. Now we will go to the top and start by programming the rocket 1. For rocket 1, we want it to disappear when it touches the candle. So we will use the third block, that is start on bump. And from that we will go to the purple block. Select the disappear block. So when the first rocket disappears, it needs to send a message to the lit rocket, the rocket that is lighted, to appear. So we will go to the events block, drag the enclosed message block and just leave the color to orange. Similarly, we will go to rocket 2. It will also do the same thing. When the diya touches the rocket, it should disappear. So we will use the third block, start on bump, click on the purple block, select the disappear block, again events block and enclose it, but this time in a different color. Maybe we can use red color. Now when this message is received by the lighted rocket, it has to perform some functions. So we'll go to the lighted rocket. The lighted rocket 1. When the green flag is clicked, the lighted rocket 1 should disappear because we don't want to see this rocket until the candle touches the rocket. Now, as the first rocket sent the enclosed message in orange, so we will open the orange message and we will ask the rocket to appear as soon as it receives the orange message. And then go to the motions block, drag the up arrow block, change it to 7. Because as soon as it appears, we want it to go up. After going up, it should disappear. And when it disappears, this rocket should send the message to the sparkle to appear. So we will go to the yellow blocks, drag the enclosed message, change the color to purple. We will do the same thing for rocket 2. When green flag is clicked, the rocket should disappear first, and as soon as the message is received, which was in red color sent by rocket 2, what should happen? It should appear. Go to motions block then. It should go up by 7 and then disappear, and also send this message to the sparkle 2. When it goes up, it will send the message to sparkle 2, and then we will enclose it in different color, maybe blue. But here we want it to wait for some time before it disappears and before it goes up. So we will put a wait block of just 1 second before it goes up and disappear. So we will change the 10 to 1. Now what should happen with the sparkle? We will click on the sparkle. First sparkle 1. When the green flag is clicked, we don't want to see the sparkle in the start, so we want it to hide. Now we will go to the events block again. As the rocket 1 was sending the message in blue, so we will change the color to blue here, and then we will ask the sparkle to appear. So we will use the show block, and then we want the sparkle to wait for some time, around 20 seconds, and then disappear again, which will be the end of the script. So we don't want to send any other message, so we are not enclosing it. Now similarly, we will do the same thing with sparkle 2. First, when the green flag is clicked, it should hide. Again, when the message is received, this will receive the message from rocket 2. So we will enclose this message as purple because the message was enclosed by rocket 2 in purple. So as soon as it receives the message, we will show it. What is the message? Rocket 2 will go here and send a message to sparkle to appear. So when the message is received, it will appear. We will go to the sounds. I have already recorded a sound here for Diwali crackers. You can also record the sound. After the sound is played, it should disappear. So we will go to the purple blocks and use the hide block. So this is all the programming for all the sprites. Now let's look into the project. We will use the green flag to start the project. We have to use the candle to light the rocket. I hope you liked the project. You can add your own creativity to it.